Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a lemon lush dessert. If you like lemons, if you like whipped cream, you're gonna love this dessert. It has pecans, it is good. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 1 cup of chopped walnuts. They usually come kind of big, even though it says chopped. So I'm gonna give them just another rough chop to make them a little smaller. So first we're going to make a crust for our lemon lush dessert. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and 1 stick of melted butter. Now I'm going to mix this together until it forms my crust. So this was 1 1/4 cups of flour. This is a 9 by 13 baking pan, and I sprayed it with a non-stick spray. That may or may not even be necessary because there's plenty of butter in our crust. So now I'm going to add my crust to my baking sheet. So now I washed my hands and I'm going to spread out my crust. Flatten it out to the bottom of your dish. Now I have a 350-degree oven waiting. It's nice and hot, and I'm going to cook my crust for about 20 to 25 minutes until I start to see a little bit of brown on the edges. So here's my crust right out of the oven. You have to let it completely cool off before going to the next step. This is going to be my first layer. Right here I have 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese. It has been sitting out for about an hour. It is very soft. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar. And I'm going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. So that was 8 ounces of Cool Whip or whipped cream, whichever one you happen to have. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix all this together. So this is my crust. It's nice and cooled off, not hot. So now I'm going to add my cream cheese layer on top of my crust. So I spread my cream cheese layer on top of my crust. Now I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator and we're going to work on our second layer. So right here I have a bowl and I'm adding 3 cups of milk. This is whole milk. Okay, so we're working on our second layer. I have 2 of these 3.4 ounce puddings. Okay, so I'm going to add them to the milk. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now I'm going to mix this together. So now I'm bringing back my dessert, and I'm going to add my pudding topping on top of my cream cheese topping. So here is my lemon pudding layer. So now I'm going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip or whipped cream, and that's going to be my top layer. And we're going to spread that all over the top. So this is my top layer. So right here I have some lemon zest, and I'm going to sprinkle that all over the top. So here's my cake with the lemon zest, and then you get a piece of lemon and you kind of cut it, and then you just kind of put it on top for pretty. And there you have a beautiful lemon dessert. So I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator for about an hour to let it set. and then I'll cut a piece. But you can see the layers if you put it in a glass dish. It's very nice. So here's my cake. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this one right here. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is very light. The lemon pudding with the cream cheese and then the pecans. Oh, so good. This is a good dessert, especially for the summer months. So this is a lemon lush. Very, very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.